Okay, welcome to Kim's Art Alchemy. I have been trying to get this lace effect in like a lace flower effect in resin. So I'm gonna go again. I've mixed up 3 ounces of Art Pro, which is a 3:2 resin. So 3 parts of A to 2 parts of B. I put it in my debubbler for 6 minutes, took it out, popped a few of the remaining bubbles that were on the top, and then took the temperature of the resin and found that it was already at 93 degrees Fahrenheit, which is what I would like to have it at, but I need to hurry up. This pigment paste is quite thick, so I saw Julie a while ago say that you could throw it in your microwave, which is what I did for 10 seconds. All right, let's pipe this around as evenly as I can. And now, dump this in. So my 2 alcohol inks today are by Artfinity. I'm going to use Sunburst and Fluorescent Red. All right. Go fluorescent red on the outside. Woo! Do I really want to use that? Yikes. Oh, what the heck? Sunburst is quite bright too. We're going for it. Here we go. Here's the other one. Three in the middle. Just for fun. Okay, now while that's doing its thing, I'm gonna use the glass beads. And we'll just pop a few of these. In there. Just mixing that up. After getting the glass beads in, we'll do a time lapse. Looky, looky. This is very much looking hopeful. Got some nice lacing on the backside. Backside's really pretty. I'm just wondering because it looks so light around the edges, if I actually have any of that lacing on the back side. What I'm noticing right away though is, again, my pigment is still not mixing really, really well. It's annoying. I might have to nuke it closer to the end time so that I don't get that droppage in there. Oh yeah, look how light that is. But it worked! Oh my gosh, it's still a little soft. It totally worked. It worked. How cool is that? Oh my gosh, it worked. Darn that pigment paste. All right, well, I think I need to make it just a little bit heavier. And then I'll have more of that white kind of come through on the sides. You can barely see it, and I don't know if you can. Let me see, let me get a black card. Here we go. Let me get my black card under here. Okay, you see the white in between? It's very, very light. But that could be maybe a little heavier. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. Oh, I'm so excited. I did it, I did it. Yay! So this was my first one and it worked as well. I just messed up with having drops of the alcohol ink going in the wrong place. And again, not mixing my pigment well enough. But this totally worked. Totally, fantastically, wonderfully worked. And I am beyond excited about that. Yay! I like it. I'm gonna have to do more.